All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Cronos family. Over the course of the last, I would say 24 to 48 hours, insane amount of requests for several coins, not just Cronos, but, one of the ones that is highly requested is Cronos, of course, because, of course, it has been going absolutely nuts over the course of the last, few hours. So we're going to take a look at it, see what is happening with Cronos, and, of course, what is yet to come. Before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking across the board, boy, are we looking at a bullish sight. We are seeing tremendous amount of green across the board, double-digit gains once again. And I'm sure if you do watch some of my other updates, you guys know exactly what's going on right now. But Cronos is really going insane over the course of the last few hours. It is the top gainer in the top 100 coins, up 77% right now. And on the weekly time frame, it's up 204%. So even on the weekly time frame, since the U.S. election outcome has been published, which of course is Donald Trump being elected as the U.S. president, you are seeing, as of now, Cronos being the top performer in terms of the last 1 week compared to some of the other coins in the top 100. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with Cronos and, of course, what is yet to come. Price is currently sitting at 21.76 cents, guys. 21.76 cents. And just based off of looking at the price, it's been quite some time since, we last were at these price levels. As mentioned, up 80% in USD, comparative also up 65% in Bitcoin. Market cap at about $6 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at about $1.2 billion. I'm sure if you use crypto.com, you are well aware of what Cronos is. And, Cronos has, a utility tied to it as well. And I'm sure if you are watching this video, you have done that due diligence and research. And I'm sure you guys know about this. But a lot of people in the crypto community are bullish on Cronos because you can actually spend your Cronos pretty much everywhere where I think Visa is accepted. They have their own card, and you can load up your Cronos on there and go ahead and start spending and buy yourself a new laptop or whatever the case may be. But you guys get the idea. But it has gone absolutely insane over the course of the last few hours. So if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, and again, like I stated to you guys earlier, if you do watch some of my other updates, you guys already know what's going on. But your Bitcoin dominance has shot up over the course of the last few hours because Bitcoin hit a new all-time high almost at $90,000. If you did watch my Bitcoin update, I kind of gave you guys a separate update on BTC. So, when Bitcoin sees moves like that, you are going to see the dominance picking up traction. And we are seeing Bitcoin dominance sitting above 60%. And despite this uptick in Bitcoin dominance, you're still seeing broader market reacting in a very positive way, especially Cronos up 73.3% on the daily time frame. What's causing this? Of course, Bitcoin is a major reason. Yeah, I'll get into a little bit more detail when I pull out the charts, but let's kind of get rid of this and see what's happening. So BTC hit a new all-time high at $89,500, just shy of $90,000. Again, $90,000 is a huge price point, so traders do tend to lock in profits a little before that. So you have seen the price go down to $86,000 after we retested almost $89,600. Again, nothing is going to go up straight forever. Even Bitcoin, of course, in the longevity of Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is going to go much higher. And again, that's my own personal opinion. But of course, after seeing a move like it has seen over the course of the last few hours, a 10% move for the biggest asset in the crypto markets, it is only, right to see a little bit of a minor pullback, which we're noticing right now. And we still have about an hour left till the daily candle closes. And if the daily candle closes around $88,000 or even where it's at now, I'm projecting above $90,000 in this upcoming, week. So as we obviously go into this, further into the week. Anyways, looking at Cronos, absolutely amazing moves. If you watch my Cronos update, I think it was 2-3 months back, spoke about one specific factor, and that was the consolidation of Cronos below this line here. Let me give it a refresh live. I don't know why it's lagging for us. And no, that's not what we need. Crow USDT. There we are. Oh God, what is this? Not CRP. Crow USDT. There we are. All right. So Look at this consolidation, guys. So we pretty much have been consolidating since June 2022 after we broke below it. Several retests above this key resistance, but nothing too crazy. So pretty much since June 2022, several long retest. Consolidation sideways. You can see this for yourself. We did pop out back in March, of course, as the entire market did make its way up to the 18.5 cents mark. Saw it retest down because, of course, the market also saw, a retracement over the course of the last few months. And we actually saw Cronos go down to 6.8 cents. So pretty much retesting levels we haven't seen since, 2023, early 2023, even late 2022. And here we are. Look how fast things have moved. And you could see this for yourself. And maybe it is a short squeeze. That's what I've been hearing on, Twitter. But if you're looking at this, guys, on November 5th, just this month alone, if you picked it up 6 cents, you did see Cronos go up 229%. And the craziest thing is it hit a new yearly high, and it's retesting some of the levels, like I said, we haven't seen since early 2022. And if we're able to get back into a 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I think things can really start rolling for Cronos to start heading towards the likes of these major resistances at the 31 cents. But what a big move. To anyone that accumulated below, right now we are out of the bear market zone. The bear market zone was, of course, below that key resistance, which, of course, is going to come as a level of support. But look at the steam that it's seeing right now. The trading volume is through the roof itself. And, Crypto.com is one of the biggest, exchanges when it comes to centralized exchanges. So that factor obviously needs to be factored in as well, then, which, of course, I'm sure is factored in. But you can see this for yourself. We are trying to see Cronos breaking towards the likes of the 78.6. 78.6 is around the 23.4 cents price point. Might see a little bit of a rejection at this point. Look at this, kind of dates back to the March 2021 levels. If we're able to, obviously retest that, a little bit of a rejection, maybe go down to 20 cents, especially if Bitcoin were to also retrace with it. But things can really start moving up quite fast after the 78.6 Fib zone. But let me know down below what you guys think about Cronos, especially the people that, of course, hold Cronos. What excites you the most about Cronos? What are your personal price predictions regarding, the price itself? But what a big move. Shout out to anyone that did pick up a Cronos during the extreme uncertainty zone, which, of course, is, the one below that key support, which I've stated to you guys. But yeah, great moves for the entire market. And I'm sure if you are holding Cronos, you are smiling right now. But like I said, the 78.6 is the level where you really want to see Cronos going. And I think things can really start heating up after that. But with that said, don't let these moves get the best of you in terms of emotion. Have a strategy in place where you know where you're going to be locking in profits, because, when markets move like this, guys, you just completely let the emotions get the best of you and stop thinking realistically. And if you have your strategy in place and you're following it, great on you. And I'm, proud of you guys. But if not, have an exit strategy in place. I cannot stress this enough. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.